Morning everyone. Today we will study the remaining problems of exercise 6.2. The next problem is problem number 4. In the given figure, PQ parallel to ST, an angle PQR is equal to 110 degree and angle RST is equal to 130 degree. Find QRS. The figure is given and one hint is given. Draw a line parallel to ST through point R. Okay. This is question number 4. Okay. PQ parallel to ST. P this Q parallel to ST. These two are parallel lines. ST. And this angle is equal to 110 degree. This angle is equal to 130 degree. And given this point is R. Through R, draw a line, draw the line XY parallel to ST. Here given PQ parallel to ST, and here I have the construction is there. Draw XY parallel to ST. Okay. Draw a line parallel to ST through R. Here we are drawing a line XY parallel to ST through the point R. Okay. We want to find out the X. We want to find out angle QRS. This angle we want to find. Okay. PQ parallel to ST and XY parallel to ST. So we can say that PQ parallel to XY. Lines parallel to same line are parallel to each other. PQ parallel to ST and ST parallel to XY. So PQ parallel to XY. Okay, PQ and XY are parallel lines and this is a transversal. Okay, so we can say that these two are the co-interior angles. That is, transversal and interior angles on the same side of the transversal. So this angle, that is angle XRQ, is equal to 180 degree minus 110 degree, that is equal to what? 70 degree. Okay. And also ST parallel to XY, and this is the transversal. This one is the transversal. We also know that these two are co-interior angles. Okay. Angle SRY, 190 degree minus 130 degree, that's equal to what? 50 degree. This is 50 degree. Okay. But here form a straight angle. Sum of these three angles is equal to 190 degree. So here I am putting this angle is equal to X. Okay. Angle QRS. I am taking sum of these three angles is equal to 190 degree, that is 70 degree plus x degree plus 50 is equal to 190 because right angle. 70 plus 50, 120 degree plus x is equal to 190 degree. Therefore x degree is equal to 190 degree minus 120, that's equal to what? 60 degree. That is x. X is equal to 60 degree. X is equal to what? That is angle QRS is equal to what? 60 already given PQ parallel to ST. By construction, ST parallel to XY. So we can say that PQ parallel to XY. These two lines are parallel. This is the transversal, so co-interangles are supplementary. We already studied. So this is 110 degree. So 180 minus 110 we get 70 degree. And also given that by construction ST parallel to XY, and this is a transversal. So these two are co-linear angles. Sum 190 degree. Okay, so 180 minus 130 we get 50 degree. But here the sum of these three angles form a straight angle 190 degree. So 190 degree minus 70 plus 50, 130 we get this angle QRS is equal to 60. Okay, very easy. Then question number 5. In the given figure, if AB parallel CD, angle APQ is equal to 50 degree and angle PRD is equal to 127 degree, find X and Y. Okay. AB parallel CD, AB parallel CD, PQR 50 degree, this angle Y, and this angle 127, and X, where is X? 1 minute. Where is X? Okay, here X is here. Here we want to find the X and Y. Listen, AB parallel CD, that is given. AB parallel CD, and listen, this PQ is the transversal. Okay, extending, this is the transversal. So we can say that what is X? By alternate leading angles. X is equal to. Okay. Then we want to find out Y. Listen, AB parallel CD and PR is the transversal. Okay. PR is the transversal. Then we know these two are alternate leading angles. That is 50 degree plus Y is equal to 127. Then what is Y? 127 degree minus 50 degree. Okay. That is AB parallel CD and this is the transversal, therefore alternate linear angles are equal. And this side, this is the transversal, therefore alternate linear angles are equal. Here alternate linear angle means 50 plus Y is equal to 127 degree. Okay. Here we are taking the alternate linear angles, that is 50 is equal to X. So we will get there. Only we want to find out that. Yes. So we get them 127 degree minus 57. We will get them 127 minus 50, 77. Okay, this is a very and this is also very easy problem. Next one is the last. Okay. Sixth one. In the given figure, PQ and RS are two mirrors placed parallel to each other. An incident ray AB strikes the mirror PQ at B. The reflected ray moves along the path BC and strikes the mirror RS at C and again reflects back along CD. Prove that AB parallel CD. PQ and RS are two mirrors placed parallel to each other. Mirror. Okay. Placed parallel to each other. Name is PQ and RS. P, Q, R, S. Then an instant ray AB. A ray strikes on the first mirror at B, AB, and then strikes at the mirror RS at the point C, and again reflects D. We have to prove that these two lines are parallel. That is AB parallel CD. AB parallel CD, and this is a transversal. We can prove that these two angles are equal to equivalent. If two lines intersected by a transversal or one pair of alternate inter angles are equal, then these two lines are parallel. So we want to prove that AB parallel CD. So what we want to prove that angle ABC equal to angle BCD to prove that correct, because that are alternate angles. Okay. Here it is given no, but here we have to draw BE, a line, and CF is another line. We have to draw BE parallel to C. AB, PQ and RS are parallel lines. Here we can draw two lines BE and CF, and BE and CF are parallel lines. Okay. Here AB is a ray strikes on this mirror. This is angle of incidence, and this is angle of reflection. Okay, in physics we already studied in a mirror the angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. That is, angle of incidence is this angle. I am putting angle 1. Reflection, this angle 2. Angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Because in a mirror, angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. And again this ray strikes the mirror RS. This is angle of incidence, and the reflect, this is angle of reflection. That is again angle 3 is equal to angle 4. You can put in question number. Angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. Angle 3 is equal to angle 4. Here also angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. Here we have to draw BE parallel to CF, and here this BC is a transversal. Okay, these two are parallel and this is a transversal. So we can write these two are the alternate interior angles equal. By construction, BE parallel to CF and BC is a transversal, so angle 2 is equal to angle. Okay, that is angle 1 is equal to angle 2, angle 3 is equal to angle 4, and angle 2 is equal to angle 3. That is angle 1 is equal to angle 2 is equal to angle 3 is equal to angle 4. All angles are equal. So we can write here we can write angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to angle 3 plus angle 4. Why? Because angle 1 is equal to angle 2 and angle 3 is equal to angle 4. So we can write angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to angle 3 plus angle 2. What is angle 1 plus angle 2? That is angle A, B, C is equal to, what is angle 3 plus angle 4? Angle BC. That is angle ABC plus is equal to angle BCD. That is alternate interior angles. These two are two parallel lines and this is a transversal. Therefore, these two angles are equal. Therefore, we can say that AB parallel CD. One more time listen. Given two mirrors parallel to each other, and A strikes on this mirror, that is angle of incidence, and again reflects and strikes this mirror RS, and again reflects. Here we have to prove that this AB parallel to CD. Here we have to draw one construction, that is BE parallel to CF. Okay, angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. That is angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection, that is angle 3 is equal to angle 4. Okay, and also by construction BE parallel to CF, and this is a transversal, so we can say that angle 2 is equal to angle 3. That is the 4 angles are equal. So we can say that angle 1 plus angle 2, that is equal to angle 3 plus angle 4. What is angle 1 plus angle 2? Angle ABC equal to, what is angle 3 plus angle 4? Angle BC. Okay, so we can say that AB parallel to CD. If two lines intersect a transversal, one pair of alternate interior angles are equal, therefore these two lines are parallel to each other. Okay, that exercise is finished. You have to write and study all the problems. Thank you all.